eyes. You just need the right eye cream, and you need a doctor to tell you how to get the job done. Well, speaking of getting the job done, we're gonna give you big, gorgeous, sexy hair with volume. W Magazine called him the most sought-after stylist. You've seen him on Bravo's Tabitha's Salon Takeover. He's here in our studio, celebrity stylist Martino Cartier. He owns 2 premier salons on the East Coast. Be sexy, be wild, be your own kind of beautiful. That's his motto.
That's our theme.
And you can tell from his shirt, he's very happy to be here. How you doing, Martino?
I'm good, how are you? I'm good.
Good to see you. This is unlike anything else I've ever seen, but this is a 2-in-1. It's your blow dryer and it's your styling brush. And before we even go too far, I want you to know this is our final presentation. This very popular styling tool is being retired here at HSN. We have about 500 left. If you've ever thought about getting this product, there's not gonna be a better time. It's at the lowest price ever, $49. It's our showstopper.
Take a look at
Amazing.
this before and after. So when you bring up her before and after, you're gonna see how with one tool, not fumbling with a round brush, not fumbling with a blow dryer, you've got 3 settings. You've got cool, medium, high, and you can turn it left or right. So it was really easy for us to put volume in her hair without having her fumble with that blow dryer, that round brush that most women have a hard time doing. And you can manually do it, or you can let it automatically rotate. But if you look at her hair, you'll see how much volume was put into her hair easily. Take a look at my own hair, right? So with no mirror, I'm gonna fix my little coif right here. So you can see that even on short hair, look how I'm able to bring that hair forward, redirect it, and give volume to my hair. So even if you're, look at that, boom, that's like Johnny Bravo right there. So, but regardless, if you have short hair, if you have long hair, let's talk about curly hair. Take a look at Jen. Jen has been scrunching her hair all morning. Well, it's morning now, but take a look at her curls. And when you see her before shot, what this diffuser did, it actually takes your hair that may have a slight wave and it puts a curl in it. That's what I love, because it takes that hair, it presses it up, and then lets it dry. Go ahead, you can keep doing your hair. Turn that thing on and let it go.
Wow, look at the difference. So it does come with a diffuser, and it comes with 2 different styling brushes. One is a 1.5-inch round brush. The other is a 2-inch round brush. So you really can use this if you have short hair, long hair, layered hair.
Yeah, and if you want volume in your root, you can just lift, watch your foot, love. You can just lift that hair and spray your favorite hairspray, and let the more you lift it, the bigger the hair gets. I mean, I can make her gigantic if I want to, but this is a really fun, easy tool. And you never want to use your fingers when you're trying to put volume in your hair, because that'll create frizz. So these thermoplastic fingers allow you to create that volume with great airflow without causing frizz. And that's why, again, if you want to bring up Jen's before shot, there's no curling iron in her hair. There's no curling iron, there's no hot rollers, there's no round brush. This is literally just using this diffuser and a little bit of You Had Me at Hello flexible hairspray. So here's how it works.
Natural curl. Yeah, show us.
Here, come on back over here. Be girlfriends, you stay. this is fun, stay, right?
The more the merrier.
Yes, this is how this works, right? You just simply twist, take your diffuser off, pick the size of the brush that you want, slides on, and then you turn it and it locks. So you've got cool, medium, high. You could turn left, you could turn right, and again, I'm gonna show you on short hair even.
Amazing.
Whether you have bangs or you wear your hair back, I mean, I have no mirror, and it's just picking up my hair, as you can see right there. And when I lift it off, bam, look at that, look at the cockatoo. But at least you know that I can get volume with my hair without a mirror. So let's take a look, we'll share this, right? If you have a bang, a lot of women have a hard time doing a side bang with a round brush and a blow dryer. It's really awkward. So because this spins in multiple directions, I'm able to just take this the way I want that hair to go, and then I pull it out, and she has an instant side bang.
I mean, that's so pretty.
It's an amazing tool. And my suggestion for you when you get this home, and as you learn how to use it, just turn it on. Forget about the automatic rotation. Just get used to it. Let the hot air come through these bristles, and manually do it. And then as you realize how easy this is to do, it's not burning her, yet it's heating up that hair, I just slide it out. And I mean, it's like perfect every time. It's an awesome,
So it's
awesome
also
product.
smoothing the hair, right?
100%. So we have a ceramic heating element, which puts out negative ions, and those negative ions seal your cuticle. And by sealing the cuticle, it allows the hair to reflect light. So let's take a look at New Yorkers before and after, if we can. Oh, she's be sitting down.
Okay,
you girls swap
we'll switch
out for
everybody
me.
out.
Yeah, we'll swap out. Go ahead.
Play
you
musical
can sit down.
chairs.
Yeah, that's okay.
They're gonna get
I
your
wanted
before
you to
and after.
see what it looks like
Her
with
hair
blonde
looks
hair, what it looks like with
so
natural curly hair.
pretty.
But take a look with salt and pepper hair. Look at this hair right here, the silver. Look how shiny it is. Look at her before. We didn't color her hair. We didn't use a purple shampoo. We literally washed it and blow dried it. No curling iron. This is what her hair looks like. So when you close that cuticle and you give that volume, you're able to have the hair look more youthful.
And you didn't have to use a ton of product either.
No, look how soft. Let me turn her around. Look up real high.
You can just run your fingers
Look how her
through
hair
it.
is light, it's airy,
How
it moves.
pretty is
Look
that?
I mean, this is crazy. This is not put in with hairspray. This is not put in with a lot of products. And I mean, of course, if we sold our dry texture spray tonight at Beauty Report, we could spray that in, and yeah, that'll even give her more volume. As you can see, it just doubled the width of her hair. But
so for those of you that have tried the round brush and holding a blow dryer at the same time, I mean, I have to rest my arms. I have long hair, so if I'm trying to do a round brush and then I'm trying to hold a blow dryer, I have 2 pounds in one hand, I've got another pound in the other hand, and then you're constantly turning your wrist. So if you have wrist issues, if you have arthritis, you're not doing this motion at all. You're just holding and you're letting the tool do the twisting and the turning. I was trying this over the last few days and I had so much fun because I realized, oh my God, I just pressed a button. It's like the next best thing to having Martino doing my hair for me.
It's so difficult to do your own hair at home.
You're holding your hand still. The brush is
one hand, and you're able to do that and get this volume. And you know, when we launched this tool for a Disney event that it was inspired by, and we sold it for $119. So today, this is it. When these are gone, they're gone.
They're not
We're
coming
not
back.
bringing this back.
We have about 450 of these remaining. Actually, even less than that. About 400 to go around. This is the last presentation of this product. You're not gonna be able to buy this again. We have the lowest price we've ever offered. We have free shipping. We've got those monthly payments, the flex pay. Those are down to $24.50. So it doesn't matter your length of hair.
No.
You're getting 2 of the round brushes. You're getting the diffuser.
Which the diffuser, by the way, if you blow dry your hair at home and you have a hard time getting volume in your hair, you saw what it looked like with curly hair when Jen diffused and she scrunched her own hair. But take a look at this. Imagine if you blow dried your hair. If you have short, fine, thin hair, you blow dry it, it's flat, it has no life. Check this out. Turn it on, put your diffuser on, just lift the hair up while you're spraying your hairspray. It doesn't have to be curly hair. Watch what happens to this side of her head versus the other side of her head. This side's getting bigger. It's getting more volume. She has poker straight hair. And
so it's the diffuser that's doing that?
Yes, the diffuser opens up the hair, allowing the hairspray to get in real deep into that root. And I can make her as big, I can make her as wild and as sexy as she wants to be. Look at that side versus the other. So this diffuser is not just for curly hair. This diffuser allows you to open up the hair, allow your product to get in, and then you work it, you work it, you work it, and take a look at her before, and then take a look at her after. And then, you know what? I'm gonna come on the left side.
You got it.
And do it over here as well.
I'll get out of your way.
Sorry. Again, we're just, watch your foot, love. We're just lifting it up, because your fingers create frizz, right? So we wanna use these thermoplastic fingers, not our own, and I lift it up, spraying as I go. Anybody can do this.
So this is great if you have thinning hair.
It's what it's for.
If you just wish you had more hair, this will give you that volume. And volume means it's going to give you a more youthful appearance. I mean, I know how we all feel when we have some little volume in our hair. We love how that feels. We love having a smoother,
look at her
silkier hair.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you can go from like drab to fab. I mean, that's what this is all about. We're so busy. If you can use automated ordering, we have about 400 left. About 400 of you can get in.
That is awesome.
And this is not coming back. I love that we're giving you a high-quality professional tool
Just keep going
for less than $50.
All over your roots, the ends, everywhere. Get up in there.
$50. You don't have to spend $200
You can say,
or $300.
I just want her to get all up in there. Bigger the better. Make your
Martino's
hair big.
Going crazy. So
Sorry.
What are you doing?
I want them to have big hair. I'm a Jersey boy, right? So listen, I'm adopted. I have 2 moms. I've had 2 grandmoms, and all 4 of them complain about flat hair. So I grew up with women wanting big hair, and I'm from Jersey, like I said, so everybody wants big hair.
This is your destiny.
So my destiny is for you to have big hair, which is why I'm like, get in there, keep going, don't stop. Don't stop. The bigger the hair, the closer to God. Remember that, right?
Well, tell us about using the round brushes. We've used the diffuser.
Yep. So the round brush, 100%.
Any tips you have?
Usually it's difficult for a woman to manipulate a round brush and a blow dryer. But if we can just take the round brush and put it on the blow dryer, then you could turn it on and have it turn left or right? So if you're just tuning in, I was showing a little bit ago how even on my hair with no mirror, you can see the concept, right? So because it turns left and right, if I had a bang, I would go the other way. But now, boom, look at that. I mean, instant volume, and I didn't have to worry about a round brush or a blow dryer. Same thing. She wears a side bang, so I'm gonna take the brush the hair, let those bristles spin, and then I pull it out the way a side bang would go, and she has instant, gorgeous side bang. So
because there's heat, are you saving a step? Like if you're not, do you have to start with dry hair, or what do you recommend?
So what I love is that with my tool or with one of my blow dryers, you do not have to blow dry your hair wet. That is like a big misconception. So most women think that you have to wet your hair and then blow dry it. And then you get tired because it takes a long time to do it, and you give up and you go out of the house not loving your hair. Wrong. Don't do it. When she wakes up tomorrow and her hair's slept on and sloppy and bedhead, she can go back in and re-blow dry the dry hair. And by doing that, she'll have gorgeous hair within 3 minutes.
Wow.
Yes. So when you get this home,
you're saving us 2 steps.
100%.
You're saving me getting in the shower and washing my hair.
Oh, your hair will get better as the days go by. I promise you.
I'm going to get my life back now.
Get this home, do your hair, and the next day spend 2-3 minutes just re-blow drying dry hair. Don't wet it, don't dampen it, and I promise you, oh my gosh, you're gonna love your hair again.
Let me just show you really quick what you're getting. Again, this is the last call. There's no other presentation scheduled. We're retiring this item. You are getting the tool. You're getting 2 brushes. They simply snap on and snap off. One is the 1.5 inch, one is the 2 inch, and they're also getting the diffuser. You're getting the travel bag. It's great for travel because you're not carrying your blow dryer and your round brush and your curler. This is it. Final airing, just a few hundred left. We'll go back to Martino, and you can see his models one last time. What an easy way for someone to do their hair.
So with that diffuser, we were able to take flat, frizzy hair, no offense, and turn it into beautiful, curly hair that she's done herself, right?
Yeah.
Which is great, because if she could do it, you could do it. She's not a hairdresser. And then we also took flat, fine, beautiful silver hair with that same diffuser, which you saw live. This was done straight on air.
Yep.
We're able to give it all that body. I mean, it's amazing.
And then I was using it on my long hair just to put some nice soft waves in it.
100%. That's what the large brush is for. So basically with this system, you get the medium, you get the large, and you get the diffuser. Plus you get the beautiful carrying case, you get our signature snake print, you get the cool shot, 2-speed settings. I mean, this is crazy.
Look how cool this is. And by the way, it's not just warm, it's hot. Let's talk about the temperature.
Absolutely. This is gonna dry your hair much faster, and it's safe heat. Remember, it's that ceramic technology, which is why the hair is shiny. Left and right rotation.
Easy. Oh my gosh, we only have about 300 left.
And you know what else is great? It's super light. Like my mom and my grandma, they always complain about things being heavy, and they're
not gonna get tired.
It's super light, yet you're still getting 900 watts of power.
Martino, thank you so much. You did an amazing job.
No, thank you. The girls did an amazing job.
The sought-after stylist, and you've seen him on Bravo, and now he's here in our studio. I can't imagine what you're going to bring us next, but I can't wait to see it. But that's it.
We'll be here at noon. Teabag at noon.